Welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Hardy, and today we're standing on a brand new Sea Ray SDX 270. So some really cool things about this boat. I like to start back here on the back of the boat. Really nice lounge area, really nice entertainment area. Got a slip down submersible platform right here. Drops down in the water. It's great to sit on. It's great for animals to get in and out on. Great lounge pad back here on the back. One thing you will notice is our backrest is stationary. You'll look at a lot of our competitors and you've actually got to flip-flop this backrest. So you lose your seating on one side or the other. Sea Ray did a great job when they designed this to make it a stationary. That way you can enjoy both sides of the boat. So as we make our way through the starboard side entry into the boat, Sea Ray did a great job of creating a really nice social setting for this boat. Lots of room to sit, lots of room to hang out, plenty of room for multiple people on the boat. Both of these backrests do move, so it gives you a really nice lounge area to lay out in. This boat is equipped with an upgraded Fusion stereo system, LED interior lighting. The boat does have a battery charger on it. One of the cool new features that Sea Ray has done this year is gone to a Simrad dash, so it's a really nice clean dash, some nice LED backlit lighting. Your engine information is inside the Simrad unit, along with you've got your chart, you've got depth, you've got fish finder. So really clean dash. New Fusion stereo. Again, Sea Ray did a great job making sure it's clean dash, nothing's in the way. Nice head system. It is an upgraded head. It is a vacuum flush system. So you push the plunger down, it pumps everything into a holding tank. As we make our way into the bow, more room, great area to sit back and relax. We can kick our feet up. We've got an armrest, LED lighting, great place to put our table. We've also, under both sides, we have a cooler. So they built a cooler in under both seats. So great area, that way gives you the ability to keep all of your drinks cold. Hey guys, I'm Chris Hardy with MarineMax Dallas. I appreciate you taking the time to walk through this boat with me. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 972-436-9979 or stop into the showroom floor. We'd love to walk through this boat or any other boats we have in stock. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.